Mabuhay! Every great stay begins with a journey.
From planning your visits to checking out,
Every step is designed to make your experience smooth and memorable.
Let's explore the guest cycle, the key stages that ensures every guest enjoys a seamless and comfortable stay.
Let's begin!
Good afternoon, Mabuhay. Thank you for calling IEC Sultan. This is Catherine Jariha from Reservation Office. How may I assist you?
Hi, good afternoon. I would like to make a reservation.
Alright, ma'am. How should I address you?
I am Angelica Casila.
Okay, Miss Casilla, are you our club member or have you stayed in our hotel before?
I haven't. This is my first time.
Okay, ma'am. I would like to ask for your full name, starting from your first name, middle name, and last name. Also, your email address and contact number.
Sure. I'm Angelica Ravana Casila, and my email address is angelicaravana@gmail.com, and this is my phone number, 0935-927-3635.
Thank you for that information, ma'am. I would like to confirm it's Angelica as in Alpha, November, Golf, Echo, Lima, India, Charlie, Alpha, Ravana as in Romeo, Alpha, Victory, Alpha, November, Alpha, and Casilla as in Charlie, Alpha, Sierra, India, Lima, Alpha. Is it correct, ma'am?
Okay, that's perfect.
And your phone number, once again, is 0935-927-3635.
Yes.
Very well, Miss Casilla. On what date would you like to schedule your reservation?
I would like to stay in your hotel from April 15 to 18.
Noted, ma'am. Please hang on for a second for I will check if those dates are available. Hello again, ma'am. Will you travel alone or not?
I'm going to arrive with my husband. I also prefer a room with an amazing view and non-smoking because my partner is allergic to smoke.
The available room for that day is the suite room for 7,499 pesos and the deluxe room which is 9,700 pesos per night to accommodate both of you and both have stunning beach view.
Okay, I would like to have the deluxe room.
Okay, ma'am. Miss Casilla, as you know, our hotel is busy, so I would like to recommend you to guarantee your booking as we have a high occupancy rate. If you want to have a guaranteed reservation, you have to pay half. In your case, the total amount of room for 3 days is 29,100. Would you like to guarantee your reservation?
Sure. How should I transfer my payment?
Okay, ma'am, you can pay through our GCash or through our bank account.
Okay, I will transfer it now.
Miss Casilla, I just made your reservation guaranteed. This will ensure your booking. Now, if you do not come in on April 15 without informing us, then a one-night room rate will be charged in your credit card as a penalty. But if you would like to change your reservation, you have to inform us 24 hours in advance. I guess you understand our policy, ma'am.
Yes, thank you. I will update you if there is any changes.
So, Miss Casilla, now I am going to repeat your reservation details. You are checked in on April 15 and your checkout date is April 18. You prefer deluxe room for you and your husband with a stunning beach view and a non-smoking area. Room rate is 9,700 per night, which includes a complimentary breakfast. Your confirmation number is 237712.
Yes, you are right.
Thank you, Ms. Casilla, for choosing IECC Hotel. Certainly, you take the right decision. So, Ms. Casilla, see you on April 15. Have a nice day.
good morning, ma'am, sir. Mabuhay.
Welcome to SCC Hotel.
Hello, good morning. Welcome to SCC Hotel. How may I help you?
Hi, good morning. I'm Justin Casilla. My wife has a reservation for today. It's under her name, Angelica Casilla.
May I have the ID of your wife, sir?
Sure, let me get it from her. Here we go.
Thank you, sir. Please take a seat first and I'll call you immediately after checking. Mr. Casilla! Sorry for taking a while, sir. I've already checked our system and yes, Mrs. Casilla had a guaranteed reservation which is deluxe room for you with a view of the beach and smoke-free for 3 days and 2 nights. Is that correct, sir?
Yes.
Very well, sir. Your room number is 206 and here's your key card. You may call us anytime whenever you need something through our hotel telephone. If you wish to call outside the perimeter, you will be charged depending on the network you'll try to reach. By the way, sir, this is our concierge. He will assist you to your room. Enjoy your stay and have a great day.
Excuse me, sir. Please allow me to carry your luggage.
Yes, please.
Honey, let's go to our room.
Thank you, sir.
Hello, good afternoon. This is front desk.
Hi, we're planning to have a dinner in just our room for our honeymoon. Can we have a roasted chicken, mashed potato, Caesar salad, and red wine, please?
Ma'am, we'll serve them exactly at 7 p.m.
Okay, thank you.
Good morning, sir. Can I help you?
Yes, please, you would like to check out today?
Okay, sir. May I ask your name and your room number, sir?
I'm Justin Casilla. We're from room 206.
Wait a minute, sir. Yes, Mr. Casilla. You and your wife are from room 206 and you would like to check out today, right?
Yes.
I would like to ask the key card of your room, sir. Here you go. Thank you.
Hello?
Hello? Room 206 is checking out. Please check the room.
Okay, sir. Hello, sir. Room 206 is clean and there is no missing items.
Okay, thank you. We hope that you enjoy your stay here at ISCC Hotel.
Thank you so much. Yes, we enjoyed. Here's the tip.
Oh, thank you, sir.